All right, well, we're keeping it back to tech now. Obviously, tech has tanked this week, the Nasdaq having its worst week in 3 months. Our very own Jared Blikre is joining us now with that breakdown. Hey, Jared.
Hey there. Well, the weekend begins officially now. That's what I would say. Not the best week for tech. Look, Tesla's a standout, 1.2% to the upside. Not a lot of green here, although Netflix also up nearly 3%. But its compatriot in the communications sector, Meta's down 13.5%. And let's take a look at that 5-day chart. Now, Tuesday was that horrible day in the market where the Nasdaq itself, the entire index dropped 5%. And you can see it was just a slow, steady decline into the close today. Not really what you want to see, especially as liquidity is supposed to pick up for the season here. Although we do have a big Fed announcement next week. Just to cap things off, Nvidia down 8%, Amazon down 7%, along with Alphabet and Microsoft. Apple down 4%. I want to get to the sector action. I think this is instructive. Healthcare and energy, well, those are the two least red, but still below 2% for the week. Materials, industrials, communication services, real estate, tech, pretty broad swath of sectors just getting beat up. And a lot of this has to do with the strong dollar. Now, this is the Dixie, the U.S. dollar index. Over the last 5 days, up 1.2%. By the way, getting back to our previous conversation with Rick Newman, if you want to see gas prices with a $2 handle, this is going to have to go up. But guess what? That's going to put a lot of pressure on multinational corporations, commodities, which is good for consumers a lot of times, but also crypto. So if you like crypto, try to stay away from those U.S. dollar strengthening thoughts and dreams over the weekend. I know that's going to be a difficult one. Want to end up on the mega caps and also the transports here. Let's see if I can get the transports, because FedEx had a huge day but sent the transports down by itself, and we can see a lot of the carnage over the last 5 days. Now, FedEx down 23%, UNP, that's railroad, down 8.6%, UPS down 11%. I'm going to put this on an equal weighted basis just so you can see the DJT, that is Dow Transport. This is the worst day that we've seen since the pandemic lows of March 2020. And pretty big, pretty significant there. So I know I'm not ending on tech, but I just had to add that because it was a bad week for not only tech, but transports and a whole host of other sectors as well, guys.
It was rough, my friend. Dr. J, have a good weekend. Thank you.